Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 8th of May 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 24th of April, 2025, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.07. Let's examine the performance of the ETF during this time. The ETF has experienced a gain of 4.48%. This results in an average return of 0.41% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund has broken through a broad and declining short-term trend. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which may signal an early shift in trend. In response, there will be support at the ceiling of the current trend that has been broken, which stands at $484.19. This level may provide a second opportunity to capitalize on market movement. According to fan theory, $576.67 could be the next potential peak, representing a resistance level that may not be easily surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 12.74% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from -30% to -13.47%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 5.89%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -9.22% and +18.46% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $443.29 and $578.42. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, QQQ ETF upgraded to buy candidate. The QQQ ETF price increased by 1.03% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025, rising from $483.30 to $488.29. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.76%, with a low of $484.17 and a high of $492.69. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 4.48% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 1 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 39 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $18.98 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $540.80, while the lowest price was $402.39. Currently, the price is 9.71%, or $52.51, below the 52-week high of $540.80, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Investors are currently showing significant interest in the Invesco QQQ ETF, reflecting a broader trend toward options-based income ETFs amidst a volatile market. Recent data highlights a rise of 1.2% in QQQ following an alert indicating a power inflow, suggesting renewed confidence among traders. This short-term momentum could bolster investor sentiment and attract more capital, potentially driving prices higher. Moreover, strong earnings from major tech companies and robust investments in artificial intelligence reinforce the long-term value proposition of QQQ. While 2025 has seen some setbacks in the tech sector, the current rebound indicates that institutional confidence remains strong, particularly within the tech-centric NASDAQ 100 index, which QQQ tracks. Profit margins within QQQ's core holdings also remain favorable, a crucial factor as strong profitability can provide a buffer against potential economic downturns. However, challenges persist, such as recent chip export restrictions impacting companies like Advanced Micro Devices and NVIDIA, which could affect performance in the tech space. Overall, the combination of short-term positive signals and long-term fundamentals positions QQQ as an attractive investment option, likely fostering continued interest from both retail and institutional investors in the upcoming months. This dynamic could solidify QQQ's reputation as a strong performer in the tech-focused ETF landscape. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned QQQ a buy rating alongside a hold action. On Wednesday, the 26th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley designated QQQ with an overweight rating, also coupled with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 26th of February, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark issued a negative rating for QQQ, again with a hold action. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On downward corrections, there will be some support at 483.56 and 465.29. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing along with the price, which is considered a strong technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, May 2, 2025, and so far, it has decreased by 0.11%. Continued decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 22 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 8 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 51 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 42 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $466, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Over the past day, the fund experienced a movement of $8.52 between its high and low, or 1.76%. In the last week, the fund has maintained a daily average volatility of 1.47%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's take a moment to review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate a diminished expectation for the company's future performance, or suggest that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $491.79. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ faces its first support level at $466. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $471.22, reflecting a decrease of 3.5%. This exchange-traded fund experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 77, which significantly heightens the risk factor. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive, and the breakout from the declining trend suggests a potential shift in direction. We believe that the price levels around this breakout point will represent particularly favorable opportunities, but we also think that the current level may serve as a good buying point for the short term. Our analysis has been upgraded from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 9th of May, we expect QQQ to open higher by approximately 9 cents and begin trading at $488.38. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.